This is an event where we bring people from the automation industry together. I mean, our go-to-market strategy is through our partners, which are integrators. And so this is just a good opportunity for us to get together and talk about new technologies and talk about new trending markets and where we're going to go. Years past, it's been more of a partner summit, and we changed the name to Connexions because, we are a sales organization. We're all close in this industry, and so we get together and connect with one another because we use each other from our technology partners to our integration partners to our end customers, which we always also consider as a partner. This event is a little unique this year. In the past, it's always been, KUKA technology. This year, we want to make it more business discussions. We want to talk about, the new tools, what happened after COVID. The market's changed on how we discuss and communicate with customers. So it was more of a business discussion. So we wanted to bring values to our customers, our partners, not just from, hey, look at our new technology, but what has changed in the marketplace. This event is not only just a USA event, it's a Mexico and Canada event as well. Our customers are regional, meaning North America. So our partners are from Mexico and Canada as well, so we bring everyone together.
COVID was a difficult time. This business is still related to connections. This interaction face-to-face was missing. It was the perfect time to have this event, reconnect with a lot of people that we already, we knew, we have business, but was special because here in this event we're showing a lot of stuff, new products, interactions with the OEMs, business partners. So this was the perfect venue and time.
So this event is a great opportunity to connect everybody together, to develop a network and be able to strengthen the relationships that already exist in an environment that is a little bit more relaxed, away from the hustle and bustle of every day. So that allows a little bit more brainstorming, get the creative juices flowing so that we can figure out new ways of growing the business together. Bringing people from Canada, US, and Mexico allows our customers from Canada to be able to meet with the colleagues in the US and be able to explain to them the subtleties of doing business in Canada, what type of systems are available that may not be available here in the US, and at the same time allows them to learn the opportunities in the US to expand their business.
This event is for me a great opportunity to meet people, meet different companies, and also it's a kind of pause on my day-to-day, and it's helping me to think about new idea, new stuff, develop new relationship, seeing new technology. It's very important to have some time to cut off the reality of the day-to-day work and then do something else. The Connection event is a great moment to have time to speak with other companies, and it's what we do here. So because of that, I can spend time with many different companies, develop idea, develop relationship, and maybe partnership in the future. And the place is awesome too. We are on the beach. It's quite cool.
I enjoyed connecting with other business owners, other integrators that were using KUKA, and be able to get their take of how they were finding success in the marketplace. So not only on the business side, on the connections, on the networking, but also on the KUKA side, understanding the new technologies coming out, some of the new features and ways that then give us ideas of how we could implement and make our customers successful. It's nice to sometimes take a day or two to step away from the craziness and the day-to-day activities that are going on in the office, and be able to talk with other business owners, be able to see things that are going on. But the breakfast this morning, overlooking the beautiful ocean view, just the kind of serene, peaceful feeling, that was nice, and it was nice to just sit down, talk, and be able to just enjoy that.
This is the first event we've done since 2019. So we were questioning on how many people are going to show up. Is it going to bring the value it used to bring? And I was extremely pleased. We had a great turnout. I had customers that are pulling me to the side saying, hey, this has been great. This has been a value to me. It made sense for us to show up, and we'll be back next year. The robotics market has grown unbelievably over the past couple of years. And what we're seeing is not just the big customers like the automotive industry that has thousands of robots. It's customers that are starting with that first robot, that one robot. They can't find the labor, so they have to automate at some point.
It's a huge industry. There's so much to automate. There's plenty for all, realistically. And so it's a great time to be in this industry, into automation. Robotics is one of the big waves of the future, and we're all hoping to make this place a better place.
Industrial intelligence.